Think snoring is something that just annoys your wife? This doctor reveals the devastating effects snoring can have on your health.
Snoring is a big deal, and there are degrees of snoring. The light little puppy snores might not actually lead to chronic health conditions, but loud, perpetual snoring, severe snoring, can actually lead to a condition called sleep apnea. And sleep apnea can lead to high blood pressure. It can also lead to what's called a dilated cardiomyopathy, which simply put means dysfunction or degeneration of heart function.